Welcome to English Listening Podcast. My name is Cody and I am your English coach. In this episode, I speak slowly and clearly so you can hear correct pronunciation and train your ears. Today we begin English speaking practice Slow English. This practice helps you speak English clearly with confidence. We start right now with simple daily speaking situations. Today you practice slow English for daily life. You hear clear sentences and natural rhythm. This kind of English listening practice builds strong habits. You can repeat this video many times. Each time your pronunciation becomes smoother. This is daily English practice you can use every day. We begin with common moments you experience in real life. These moments help your English speaking practice feel useful and real. Slow English helps you notice sounds, stress, and flow. This supports confidence in English and clear communication. Imagine starting your day in English. You wake up and think in simple English sentences. You plan your day using calm, clear language. This is not fast English. This is slow English for control and clarity. This kind of English learning improves pronunciation and listening skills. It also supports productivity and personal growth. Now listen carefully. We move into our first practice moment. Now repeat these sentences with me. I start my day speaking English slowly and clearly. I want to speak English with confidence and calm rhythm. Daily English practice helps my pronunciation improve over time. I enjoy English listening practice because it feels natural and useful. I am building strong communication skills in English every day. Now we continue with another daily situation. This time you practice English speaking when planning your day. Planning uses simple, clear sentences. This helps you think in English without stress. You do not rush. You speak slowly and clearly. Slow English helps your brain organize thoughts. This is powerful for English speaking practice. These sentences are useful at work and at home. They support clear communication and confidence in English. You may plan tasks, goals, or meetings. You may plan study time or rest time. English learning becomes part of your routine. This builds a strong study routine. Consistent listening improves pronunciation naturally. You do not need complex grammar. You need clear, simple sentences. This is slow English speaking practice. It is effective and realistic. Listen carefully to the meaning and rhythm. Notice how each sentence flows. Then repeat with confidence. You can replay this section many times. Repetition supports strong English pronunciation. Now we practice together. Now repeat these sentences with me. Today, I plan my tasks using clear, simple English sentences. I organize my day and speak English at a calm, steady pace. Clear communication helps me feel confident in English conversations. I improve my English speaking skills with daily focused practice. This English listening practice supports my productivity and growth. Now we move into another common situation. Speaking English when interacting with other people. This may be at work or in daily life. Slow English helps you sound clear and professional. You do not need fast speech. You need clarity and control. This supports business English and everyday communication skills. You focus on pronunciation and rhythm. When you speak slowly, people understand you better. This builds confidence in English. You feel more relaxed when speaking. You express ideas with simple structure. This is strong English speaking practice. It improves communication skills step by step. English learning becomes enjoyable and effective. You may greet someone. You may explain a simple idea. You may ask for information. These sentences help you feel prepared. Listen first. Then repeat clearly. This builds confidence through repetition. Now repeat these sentences with me. I speak English slowly, so my message is clear and professional. I feel confident when I use simple, clear English sentences. Good pronunciation helps people understand me easily. I practice English speaking every day to improve communication skills. This slow English practice helps my confidence grow naturally. Now we focus on listening and responding in English. Listening is part of English speaking practice. When you listen carefully, your responses improve. Slow English gives you time to process meaning. You hear sounds clearly. You notice natural rhythm. This improves English pronunciation and understanding. In real conversations, you listen before you speak. You respond with simple, clear sentences. This reduces pressure and builds confidence in English. English listening practice trains your ears. English speaking practice trains your voice. Together, they create balance. This supports long-term English learning. You do not rush answers. You speak at your own pace. This makes your communication sound calm and confident. These sentences are useful in many situations. Practice them often. Now repeat with me. Now repeat these sentences with me. I listen carefully and respond using clear, slow English. Taking my time helps my English sound natural and confident. Strong listening skills support better English speaking practice. Daily English listening practice improves my pronunciation and clarity. I feel more confident when I understand and respond calmly in English. Now we continue building daily English habits. Consistency is important for language learning. Short daily practice creates real progress. This video supports your daily English practice. You can return to it anytime. Each replay strengthens your skills. This is how pronunciation improves over time. English speaking practice works best when it feels simple. You do not need pressure. You need repetition and clarity. Slow English helps you build confidence step by step. This supports personal growth and productivity. English learning becomes part of your lifestyle. Remember, every video helps your training. Every sentence you practice builds control. Subscribe so you do not miss future practice sessions. Comment and tell me what you want to work on next. I read all comments and I am here for you. Now finish this section with focused repetition. Now repeat these sentences with me. I commit to daily English practice for clear, confident speaking. Each practice session improves my English pronunciation and rhythm. I build confidence in English through consistent listening and speaking. This English listening practice supports my long-term learning goals. I am proud of my progress, and I continue improving every day. Now we practice English during daily movement. You can speak English while busy. Slow English keeps your speech clear. This works in real-life situations. Using English during the day builds habits. Simple sentences are enough. Now practice. Now repeat these sentences with me. I speak English clearly even when I am busy. Slow English helps me stay confident all day. I use simple sentences to communicate clearly. Now we practice English for decisions. Decisions use calm, clear language. Slow English helps organize thoughts. This builds confidence and clarity. You speak with purpose. You choose words carefully. Now repeat. Now repeat these sentences with me. I make decisions using clear English sentences. Speaking slowly helps my thoughts sound organized. English practice improves my focus and clarity. Confidence grows through repetition. Slow English removes pressure. Each practice builds control. This supports long-term English learning. Familiar sentences feel comfortable. Your voice becomes steady. Now repeat. Now repeat these sentences with me. I feel more confident each time I practice English. Clear pronunciation makes my English stronger. Daily practice helps my confidence grow. Now we close this session calmly. You practiced slow, clear English. Consistency brings results. Return to this video anytime. Subscribe for more English listening practice. Comment what you want next. I am here to help. Now repeat these sentences with me. I continue improving my English every day. Slow English helps me speak clearly and confidently. I stay consistent with my English practice.